is truly beautiful. Relationship, you can take a breeze through it. But marriage, that is a whole new level. A journey of no. Today, we'll be talking about public or private proposal. Which do you prefer? I'll be right back. Private proposal typically means that you and your spouse will be at the only people present. Both of you can be together anywhere, be it in the kitchen, in the Garden of Eden, Barbie sunlight side, as the restaurant, wherever. And we ladies safe, we get our own for body. Why would they always surprise when they show the ring? You know we shouting, like the way we expect before. Sorry, pardon. Make believe. Make believe. No, now they believe they go. So the key word for this kind of proposal is simplicity. Very simple. But please, try and be sure in your relationship before you pop up the question, will you marry me? Oh, you two propose quick, Jare. Do what you want to do and let's move on. So, our public proposal. Let's move closer. Some people even go and do a shaggi. Very propose. Public proposal means you'll be incorporating others in some ways or another, whether family members, friends, or planning for an audience in the mix of a crowded area. It's actually a wonderful choice for couples that love big display of affection. But if you are going to do a public proposal, you have to be ready to roll with the punches, because public proposal puts a lot of pressure on both the asker or the askee. What if you get no as an answer and you're already at the public? Already I hear my so that's on social media near TT all on social media. Hey, once one blogger carry on like this, you don't blow. And your partner can even collect the ring to give you all the yes that you want in public, since you decide to take it to the public. So she would rather say yes and cover you in shame. But when it can't remain too often now, until we just go like, you dey craze? Hey, if you want to disgrace me, you even disgrace me in private, not in public. Do you think I'm ready to say yes? It's not because of people that are there, that's why I say yes now. Your mate, tell me more. You'll be buying luxurious bag, luxurious car, you know. You're not here giving me ring. Not even a boat, you know. When the barring get for she down, kill vessel. No, kill vessel. Or okay, be a most of one relationship, let's say we can first down. Sure, she But both proposal, both public and private, they are good. Either private school or public transport, it's still the same thing. Oh, now join. Just know what you are doing. They may know. But make sure your partner is also ready to give you your desired answer. So let me see which proposal you prefer in the comment section. Let's chat, let's talk in the comment section. Which one you prefer is your choice. So that is the end on today's episode on Let's Talk with Adeshewa. And if you want to place an advert on this show, kindly contact me in any of my social media handles below. See you guys next time. My name still remains the same, Adeshewa or Moba. Bye bye. I love you. I want to go and collect my own ring.